Miss phone. You stay here because outside it's raining. Okay? Mama will go to the market. Okay? You wanna play with the, with your favorite thingy on YouTube? Yeah? Oh, look at my baby Yana. Baby Yana has a beautiful lashes. Yay! Ang haba ng mo na ko. Yung sa akin, piki lang. Show me. Show me your beautiful lashes. Lashes! Pretty! Piki lang. Naglagay ako ng lashes mga shades sa aking mata. Piki lang yan siya. Pero nailagay ko naman. Anyway, pupunta ako sa market. Ba't ang dilim natin dito? Punta ako sa market kasi wala kami bigas. Magkakanin tayo tonight. Iiwan ko lang tong aking dito, cellphone kasi paglaruan ng isa. Ayan na, where are you? Yan na. Ganda ng pilik mata ko. Natural looking lang. You wanna play? My phone? Okay. When I come back, I will get my phone, okay? Okay, promise? 10 minutes? 10 minutes pero 30 minutes ako sa labas. Okay, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss, Mama Bo. Say hello, Tata Shots. Hi, Tata Shots. Give them a kisses. Come on, give them kisses. Oo, flying kiss na lang, flying kiss. Okay, flying kiss also, flying kiss. Give them flying kiss. Where's the flying kiss? No, where's the... Oh my gosh, kung bata ito. Flying kiss like that. Flying kiss. Okay. Balik ako mami, anak. Okay? Okay, you can play now. Oh, give mommy kiss, give mommy kiss. First, aray, give mommy kiss first. Come on. Come on. Let's go, mommy. Give mommy kiss first, and then mama will go to the market. Come here. Mommy kiss. Come on, hurry up. Ang tamad magtaano. Oh, give mommy kiss. Give mommy kiss. Give mommy kiss. Mama will go to the market. Give mommy kiss. No, mommy. Oh, say daddy, I got hot dog. You like hot dog? Is it yummy? Yeah, may pasalubong siya. Good. Be careful, anak. Yeah, let me cut this one. Let me see. Okay. Careful, okay? Careful, hold it. Okay. Magluto tayo. Karating ko lang galing palengke. Meron ako magpe-prep ako ngayon. Meron ako mga kagulat ko naman. Monty, you got kangkong, Monty. It's been a long time wala kang kangkong, Monty. Here's your kangkong, Monty. Hawa naman ito Monty namin. Ngayon lang magkaroon ng kangkong. Happy? Happy, Monty? Tingnan natin si Monty. Monty! Here's your kangkong, Monty. You can do it, Monty. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Grab it, grab it. Oh, yan. Pasalubong niya. Ang pasalubong kay Monty. Oh, I have mine too. Let me eat mine. Sa akin laman. Mama. Yes. You want this? You wanna try?
No.
Taste it.
Good.
Laman akin lang. Is it yummy? Kain tayo. Snack. Sarap kung may kanin sana to. Gamit tayo ng ating mahiwagang microphone kasi yung bata nagpa-TV. Baka tayo, makapiright tayo. Anyway, itaas ko lang tong aking buhok kasi napakainit. So, yung ulam namin tonight is tinulang manok. Magsaing muna ako mga shots. Wait lang. Kunin ko yung aking mahiwagang kaldero. Ngayon ko na realize wala pala kaming rice cooker na. I mean, may rice cooker kami, masyado kasing malaki para sa bigas, para sa kanin, kaya hindi namin ginagamit sa pagluluto. Ngayon ko napagtanto. Ngayon ko lang napagtanto na wala pala kaming rice cooker na pang rice talaga kasi yung binili ko sa online nasira. Hindi na siya napalitan. Nawala na din sa isipan ko. Ngayon, kaldero tuloy tayo magluluto nito. Anak, put the stick back on the trash can, okay? Put put the stick on the trash can, Nak. Are you done? Are you done? More. We don't have now, Nak. You have to go to the market if you want more. I don't have. I just bought only 3 pieces for us. Gusto niya pa manghingi. Wala na nga, anak. No more na. Okay, tomorrow we will buy one more, okay? Magluluto naman tayo, Nak. It's okay lang. Makakain ka din. High blood na naman ako sa batang ito. Hindi ko na tuloy alam mo unahin ko. Move there, move there. Bibigyan ka ng pagkain, hindi mo kinakain. Kakapanggigil ka. Hindi ko alam na magagawin ko kasi madami akong chicken. Hatiin ko na lang yata to. Ay, si Monty pala. Kailangan ng chicken ni Monty. Yung tatlo. Kasya lang din naman. Kakain na kami. Wait lang. Ano bang hinahanap ko? Rice pala. Yung rice. Wait lang na. Let's get the rice. Ang rice. Tapos ang ating mga pundok ay kain na tayo. Kain na tayo ng ating hapunan. Nandito ako sa likod ng kusina ko. Si Ayana nandoon sa lamesa. Naririnig niyo pa rin ba ako? Or okay, naka-on pa naman siya. Siguro naririnig niyo pa ako. Just wait, anak. Ready na yung anak ko doon kumain. Wala pa yung ulam. Ayan. Siguro mga na lang yan. Mga 5 minutes yung pagkain ni Monty. Kain na tayo. Rice na mainit-init. Okay, let's eat, anak. Mama will put your rice. Ang init na ng panahon. Yeah, it's hot. Oh no. What happened? Huh? What hot? It's hot. Sikain tayo. We will have chicken with rice. Itong anak ko ayaw man kumain ng gulay. Kaya, wait lang anak. Be careful. Oh, you have to pray first. Don't forget. Put your hands together and pray. Lord, yun na yung dasal niya, Lord. Pagpasensyahan nyo na ang bata. Wait, anak. It's still hot. Let me get something. Wait, mommy. Okay? Okay, let's eat. Mama will get you. You have water? Oh, you don't have water. Let's get some water. Sarap sana kayo. Yes, anak. Huh? Wait. Hold on. Sarap that is water. Yung uhaw na uhaw ka na. Tapos ang bagal pa ng Yeah, no, that's us. Eat na. Okay. Mama will sit down. Mama will eat also. And while we're doing that, let's watch Simple Race.
No.
Yeah, please.
No.
Oh, there, they have one. Family. Matupad na family. Matutupad na finally. Okay, let's see that one. Call, dito na, Call. Yeah, Alo and Andy. That's our favorite. It's a favorite, sinusubaybayan na vlogger. Let's eat. Ay, sabi spoon ko. No, 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 anak. Don't play, anak. Don't play. Ayan na. Don't do that. Don't do that. Eat na, eat na. Did you pray, right? Okay. Sabi niya, ilang beses ba dapat mag-pray? Maraming beses ba dapat, nak, no? Yeah. Uy, nakita niya yung kunting ano lang ng kamatis. What's that daw? What's that? Eh, that's only ano, nak, the skin of tomato. Tomato. Yeah, that's mama's food. Mommy is on diet tonight. Tonight. Joker yung mother mo, nak. Tonight daw. Tapos later kakain madaling araw. Well, kain ako. Okay, let me, ano, nak. Kailangan ko pala itong ipil. Ay, patay mo na yung ano ni Monty doon. Chicken. Ano ko lang kasi. Wala naman to masyadong tinik kasi mga laman siya. Mga breast chicken yung pinagano ko. Oh, it's hot, anak. Hot. Careful, okay? You have to blow. Hot. Do you want vegetables? No? You know that vegetable make you stronger? Yes, it is. You have to eat vegetables. Look, Ayla and Indy, they eat vegetables. You must eat too, so you will be stronger like them. No? Look at Indy. Indy is eating alone. Oh, ang init naman, nak. Okay, kain na nga tayo. Kain na tayo, mga Shas. Thank you, Lord, sa pagkain. Kumain na kayo yung ating daddy doon. What? Nabuntong hininga ang batang ano makulit. Kami, eat na. May niluto din akong paksiw na ano na bangus. Malamang ako na naman kakain mag-isa. Vegetables? You wanna taste it? Vegetables, ha? No? Oh, vegetables is good, you know that?
Yes.
Andy. Taste it, ha?
No.
Later, Monte, you will eat later, Monte, okay? Your food is still cooking. You have to wait. Kuya, what's happened to my phone? Ano ba rin tong cellphone ko pag matagal na namamatay yung screen? Later, anak.
Yes.
Do you still have rice?
Chicken.
Yeah, chicken.
Yes. Look.
Yeah.
Water.
Dada? Water? Okay, water. What's this one?
Mama, that.
No, that's empty, anak. No more water on Dada's glass. What they call that? Water bottle. Come on, drink. Careful. Hold tight. Ano ba yan? Parang mas masarap pala yung chicken pag buto-buto ang nakaano. Hindi puro laman. Busog na mi. Marami naming nakain. Pero yung isa nandoon pa din. Hindi pa hindi pa tumigil ang bata. Gusto niya pang kumain. Anyway, habang nagano ako dito, pupo muna ako dito. Magtutupi tayo ng ating labada. 2 days na to nakalagay doon sa likod, hindi pa natutupi. Ngayon pa lang matupi. Anyway, nakahanger naman yan siya. Kasi nga, laging umuulan dito ngayon, ang panahon. Hindi agad-agad natutuyo yung mga labada ko. Kaya, nandito na naman tayo sa problema na mabahong sampay. Kasi minsan, wala. Last few days, wala talagang araw. Puro ulan. Basta pa pala tong buhok ko. Anak, kayo Dan? Uy, nagkanin pa man siya. Hindi pa siya natunghan. Okay lang. Eat lang, eat lang. Sabi pa ni daddy mo, eat lang. What do you want now? Soup. Uy, gusto na daw ng soup. Itong batang ito. Masyadong malusog. What you want? You want soup or rice? What you want? Wait nga lang mga shit. Nagkalat ka na, anak. Hey, don't do that, anak. Don't do that. Eat properly. You want more rice? Or are you done? More rice? Uy, Mariusip. Parang yung katumbas ng kain niya is katumbas ko na rin. Okay. Can we put a little, then later if you want more, we can add up more, okay? Because later you're going to waste this one, anak. Okay. Come on. Finish that one now. And then Mama will sit down and fold the laundry. My clothes, okay? Okay? Okay, just finish your food.